Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on Touch ID on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then scroll down to the settings section and tap on it. After that, you should scroll down again to the security section and tap on the third button, Face and Touch ID. As you can see, you should also set a 4-digit PIN first, so type it in. Tap on the button set in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see, you should confirm by adding your Touch ID for the app to continue. And here you can see that your face and the Touch ID and your passcode has been set together. So once you are going to open the application, you will be required to give one of these forms of authentication so that you will be able to open the app. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.